Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer 2012 Jeep Liberty Latitude. This Jeep's loaded. Got the window sticker, owner's manuals, and it's got a little over 11,000 miles. Four-wheel drive, finished in deep cherry red crystal. Chrome-clad wheels. It's got a dark slate leather interior. Heated seats. Tow package. Body side molding. 6-way powered driver's seat. Bluetooth audio. Audio controls on the steering wheel. Obviously power windows, locks, mirrors, auto dimming rear view mirror as well. Great gas mileage. Integrated fog lights. 3.7 liter V6 motor. Super clean. Rain guards were added. Obviously tires are in great shape. 11,000 miles on it. Heated rear view mirrors, one touchdown windows, all weather mats, and 11,462 original miles. Got the little cozies inside the cup holders. Obviously air conditioning. There's owner's manuals. Pretty loaded too. It's got a customer preferred package 28L. View all that stuff. Owner's manuals, information guide, embroidered seats, this back seat folds down nicely. Cup holders in the back. Storage in here too. Tonneau cover, retractable. Cover your stuff. Rear window opens independently. Little trivia for you, I sold these when they were new. Fun fact. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more photos on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.